Menteri ke Sarkar Jela bat noyalam ke NPP urakam esang ma hakasngi palei ulak kentho halor ke jingkeno ba pendan kam da kiskim Sarkar ban Shim Kabu na ke benta ke Ilekshon siteng samoy hakam Gambegre da ke boong ba ki kam Pynroi bale da ke Sarkar lai syak yalam bakla. Ulaong ba haba ai kilat Pynroi kum ki jingte ya ki yeng ne building ki surok bat ki school kamde na ke benta ke Ilekshon bat ya kine la le kum baju long ke kamram. Ulaong ba ki don ki bru ki bakren chapang ke jingbam don ki school ha ka thain bat haba ka Sarkar ka te kamut ba la pendan kam da ki skim ke Jela. La ban ong ba ka seng kongres ka badon ha ka liang persyak kala keno ba ke NPP kala persyang ban pendan kam barok ki tier ka Sarkar hakam Gambegre constituency kenang ban yok Shim Kabu na ka benta kan ke election siteng samoy ban salong.
There is always a saying, a foot of the neighbor looks always tastier because he is looking from the other side of the fence, right? So maybe the way we are moving ahead is faster. People are coming back to the NPP. People are supporting. We are getting tremendous support from the people of Gambegre now. Maybe, I don't know. Election is always a challenge, but maybe what the parliaments, I don't know. But he might be thinking, since how come the support of NPP is growing so strong in the Gambegre? He might be suspicious because of all this, but it is not. We cannot what you call force the people to support NPP, but we can, as a political party, we can inspire people to support. We can, no political party can force people to support because it's a democratic setup, it's a secret ballot. Therefore, but when we go for campaign, we understand the support, the jelly is what you call the enthusiasm of the people. So as of now, so people, we are very happy to see our Madam Chandi is getting a strong support from the people of Gambegre, and I'm sure that we are going to cross the bridge.
But sir, allegations of using government machinery for political purposes are serious allegations.
How?
I mean, the government machineries are not supposed to help out political party win
Correct.
elections.
What? But giving a development, building a school is not meant for election, my friend. Building a road is not for election, my friends. So we are doing a normal duty. Building the road, constructing the same people are talking about there is no school in the area. When the government construct, does it means we are misusing the government machinery? No, it is not. So I think, I don't know what he meant, but we are not only in Gambegre, we are doing every nook and corner of the state. So I'm just happy to inform that our even my National Highway number 62, our Honorable Chief Minister has assured to give fund for immediate repairing of the most dilapidated portion under South Gullis. So we can shall it be called as a using for the election? No. Yeah.
But the timing, don't you think the timing of to initiate developmental work in Gambegre is what is raising serious questions?
No. If I have a specific points to be discussed, I can respond what he means. What he means in government machinery. He have to explain.